everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So today I have got something fun and unique in store for you. Have you ever wondered about a cool feature on Windows that lets you shut down your PC with a swipe? Well, now in this video I'm going to show it that how you can do it. So this feature name is SlideToShutdown. This is a touchscreen friendly way to power off your Windows device. It's not just practical, it's a downright cool. And guess what? We are going to show you how to use and impress your friends with this click to shutdown method. So for doing this, you have to click on the right button on your desktop, then you have to click on new, then you have to click on shortcut, then you enter, then right here is slide to shutdown. Okay, what you needs to write here is slide to shutdown. Now click on next, then you have to give a name of the shortcut. So for example, I'm going to give it the name is shutdown. Here as you can see, a shortcut has been created called shutdown. So this will look like this one. You can change the icon as well. So I'm not going to change it because I'm going to show you that how it works. So if you double click on this icon, as you can see, this type of swipe will open. If you turn it down, then it will completely shut down your PC. So you don't need to manually shut down your PC. You have to click you have to shut down your PC by one or two click. So I think this shortcut will help you a lot. So I'm going to show it another. As you can see, this type of slide will open. You have to drag it down and then PC will shut down. So I hope this video will help you a lot for Windows enthusiasts. So thanks for watching.